Hey everyone, so this is lesson 3, level 1, and actually it's 1 through whatever because all of these are going to be the same. And so let's just agree, let's go through this entire lesson first by just working on the Ramen radar because we are familiar with the Ramen data set. And then what we'll do is we'll go through all of these with the data set we are familiar with. And then we will go back through this again and we'll work on the Netflix navigator since we'll have time. But you'll notice in each level you go to, the Ramen radar is in there. So whatever you do in one Ramen radar, it will show up in the next Ramen radar. So make sure you're always on the same Ramen radar as you go through this. So let's take a gander at this and see what this does. And if I recall, I looked at this a little bit yesterday. And yeah, so let's see. So we've got this place, style button, and a number of stars. So if I recall correctly, the places might be like, oh, there's countries, and there's the style drop down, and there are the stars. Remember, the styles were like packs or cans or bowls, and then the places are probably just the countries. So, ooh, I don't know. Let's see what happens. So let's run this puppy. Okay, so it is a running and place. Oh, United States. And so there are 722 varieties of ramen from the United States with an average rating of 3.6 stars. So we've done all of that. Let's make let's see if we can make our font size larger. Doesn't seem like I can grab that little slider right there. I would like to make that font size larger if I could. Maybe instead of grabbing it, I just click over here on the right of it and it seems to work. Let's look at the style. So remember there was pack, bowl. Oh yeah. Pack, bowl, cup, tray, a bottle? A bottle of ramen? What? Wow, in the bottle style with an average rating of 4 stars. And then let's look at the stars. So I want to look at all of the 3-star ramens. That makes no sense. Oh, that number represents 85% of all ramen varieties included in the data set. So we are in the United States. There are that many 3-star varieties, and 85% of all the ramen varieties are included in this data set. That's our 3 stars. Where did our place go? Be nice if that would show up or always would stay showing. So there's Vietnam. 138 varieties of ramen with an average rating of 3.2 stars. So they've gone through and just taken the Vietnam ones and took those stars. And let's look at the styles. Bowl. There are 924. So I guess this is just bowls. We're no longer in Vietnam place. So we're just looking at the style. And then if I go stars, still with bowls. I don't know if we're in Vietnam or not still. That's what I got to check. And I'm waiting for the star information to pop up there. I don't know why it doesn't pop up. It's kind of slow. All right. Ramen radar. So let's work through this and let's see what improvements we can make on this. When it talks about the functionality, what I would like to see is I would like the place to always show up. Like when I click on place, I want that to stay visible for me. Style, I wish the style would stay visible. And stars, I wish the stars. I wish all of those little drop-down menus right there would stay visible for me. Actually, like these little things seem stupid to me. But anyway, that's Ramen Radar.